Oh yes, that's definitely Coco. Join you because I'm in a dress.
There's no time for excuses. Just do it.
Coco, besides the dress, I don't have the right shoes for exercising.
I got you. Look, there's shoes for you right there.
You don't even know my size. How did you make the shoes ready?
I know your size.
Hold on a minute. They're my shoes. In my dream, of course.
Can you just wear them and stop asking questions? Hurry up, we need to start doing exercise now!
I'm going to be boxing in my dream with a chocolate. Coco, shall we start now?
Finally, hurry up, let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4!
Coco, what am I supposed to do now? I need boxing gloves. I'm gonna hurt myself.
Don't worry, I got you. All we need to do is make a wish.
Another wish, here we go. Last time we wished for tea, today we're gonna wish for boxing gloves.
I wished for boxing gloves for Lola!
Coco, I'm waiting. Where's the boxing gloves?
Just have some patience! Every single time I told you, just wait.
Boxing gloves.
Okay, I think I need to try that again. I wish for boxing gloves for Lola!
Oh my gosh! I guess your wish came true. There's boxing gloves now. Oh my goodness. Can this dream get any more weirder?
Just put them on right now.
I swear these are my brother's gloves. Coco, all of this stuff is from my house.
Stop talking and just put the gloves on.
Okay, I'm putting them on. Here, I've got the gloves on. Now what?
Now you start punching the boxing bag. Hurry up.
I guess Coco's my trainer now. I'm gonna start boxing. Ow, this is hard. Oh boy.
Now the other arm.
Okay, I'm in a princess outfit.
Stop complaining, just keep going. You need to hold up your defense. Hold your defense up with the other arm. Winners don't give up. You have to keep going.
This is so hard. I was tired. Can we stop now?
Okay, now you deserve a break.
Thank you. Finally, just getting weirder and weirder. I'm in a dream, in a dress, with Coco as my coach. Can we just do something else now?
Time to do some kickboxing. Hey!
Coco, have you not realized I am wearing a dress? Seriously? How can I kickbox in a dress?
You're always making excuses. You really need to get yourself together and just do as I say. Trust me, it'll be fun.
Coco, how do we do this?
All you have to do is kick. Bow, 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 bow. Yeah, that's the way. Keep going. Now we can do tag team.
I'm done, Coco. Please, I need a break now.
Okay, now you can have a break. But first, let's go on to the other circuit.
Wait, what? There's a circuit, Coco?
Basically, it's sports day. There's a whole variety of exercises we're gonna go do together.
Oh, this is just the beginning, Coco. Seriously?
Look, you can do it. All you have to do is believe in yourself. And plus, it's a piece of cake. I can do it too.
Fine, let's go to the next circuit.
Follow me this way.
Let's go. Where are we going, Coco? Is that Jumpy?
Yeah, that's Jumpy. He's waiting for us. He's gonna be training us on the trampoline.
We're trampolining now?
It's gonna be fun. Let's go.
Hey, Jumpy.
Hey, it's good to see you again, Lola.
Yep, great to see you too.
Are you ready for this, Lola?
Ready for trampolining?
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna show you how to fly.
Fly or you mean jump?
Well, you know what I mean. So, come on. Everyone, jump over. We're gonna do some trampolining now.
Are you guys joining me or what? Like, I can't do this alone.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, go. Come on, Lola. You can do this.
Jumping, what do I do?
Yeah, you just have to jump like this. Watch and learn. Whoa.
Are you okay, Jumpy?
Yeah, I'm fine. I told you I can do this.
I'll jump like that. Oh boy.
Now give me a star jump.
How many star jumps, Jumpy?
Give me 10 star jumps.
10 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's your turn now. I did 10 star jumps. I'm done.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how I do my star jumps.
What are you doing, Jumpy? You're sleeping on the trampoline.
That's how I start. Just watch and learn.
Coco, does he know what he's doing?
Yeah, he's a professional. He knows what he's doing.
Boom!
Yeah, I told you I could do it.
Whoa, I can't believe you actually jump like that. That's pretty cool.
Now it's time to do it together. Let's go.
Jumpy, are you okay? Let's quickly go and get him.
I'm sure he's okay. Don't you remember last time you went flying?
Jumpy, are you okay? Jumpy?
Jumpy, are you okay? Jumpy, say something.
Oh my god! Jumpy, you scared us both. Jumpy, don't do that again, please.
See, I told you he was lying. He always does that.
Okay, guys, no fighting.
There's one more exercise left.
What exercise, Coco? I don't think there's any more we can do right now.
We are gonna play basketball.
Only 3 of us, Coco?
No, you forgot Purple. She's over there. She made it.
I think I see Purple. She's over there. Purple! Hello, Purple? Guys, she's not saying anything. Is she okay? What's going on, guys? You're talking secretly in front of me. I can see you talking. One of you needs to tell me what's going on. Purple! Okay, she's not answering. What's going on?
We're not friends anymore.
What do you mean you're not friends with Purple?
Basically, we had a fight. I told her I don't like purple, and she got sad. She said her favorite color is purple. And then I was like, I don't like purple, and she got sad.
Guys, let's just go and say sorry, and we'll all be friends again.
Hi, Purple. Hi. See, I told you she's not talking, so I'm gonna leave now.
Wait, guys. Hi, Purple. Purple, they've come here to apologize to you.
Yeah, they were so mean last time.
Don't be sad. They did not mean whatever they did or said last time. They've come to apologize.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry too. I forgive you guys.
Alright now, group hug. Yay! Alright guys, we're friends now, so let's go play basketball.
Yay!
You just went through the hoop yourself. You're not supposed to do that.
That was so much fun.
All right, guys, game over. That was fun. Where are you guys? Coco? Jumpy? Purple? Why aren't you guys coming? Why are you huddled up scared?
It's the kitty monster. We're scared. I'm getting scared. The kitty monster's right over there. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Oh, you mean that little kitty over there? That's Zizi, guys.
You don't understand? That's Dudley. That's the kitty monster. Oh my god, he's coming. She's coming. Run!
You guys, come back. Go. Whoa, whoa. Oh. Whoa, kitty monster! That's just my cat. Dee, you scared me. Yeah, the dress is gone. That was definitely a dream. How long was I asleep for? It's dark. I'm gonna go inside now.